Is your vehicle's windshield doing its part to provide a clear and safe view? Do you need auto glass repair or replacement? Welcome to TJM Industries, Tri-Cities, Washington's leading auto glass professionals. Save time and money with our convenient mobile auto glass service. Call now to schedule your auto glass repair or replacement. Contact us at 509-870-0026. TJM Industries is rated top-notch for amazing service and customer satisfaction in Tri-Cities, Washington. Don't wait. Just dial or visit our website at www.tjmmobiletruckwash.com to experience superior mobile auto glass service from TJM Industries. Our number once again is 509-870-0026. Call today to get your auto glass taken care of ASAP. We are standing by to take your call. TJM Industries, your local friend in the auto glass industry.